up, boy?
Nothing much.
Show it to you. Helping TK?
Yeah.
Y'all see that rig right there? Do y'all see that rig right there? What up, G? Get your hands all dirty. Oh,
Moving
man.
his straps out the way.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I had oil back here at one point.
These the ones you said you got off of
Yes.
Amazon? Yeah, I gotta get some of them.
You get them, they 8 feet.
Yeah.
So they fit perfectly
And they
across the
clip,
bed.
they probably fall in good right
It
there.
don't really.
Oh, it don't?
It don't, nah. But they do fit this, so when you decide to haul them, you can put them on here and save some space.
Yeah, it gets some work done to his trailer, so he needed to use this one. So tell me, make sure you tell me how, you know, how heavy it is, how it ride.
Oh, I will. It's air ride too, and I gotta get another one. So
yeah,
it's definitely gonna see about getting the air ride.
This is what I gotta figure out. Is I either need to get me some load rated tires, I either need to get me some 33 by 12 and a half tires so I can keep this look, or buy 4 more of these, because I got 2 of these in the shop that's unmilled, and get some and put the big 225 tire on. It is a 225, man. 255. 255 70. So you go that route, and them tires last. How many miles you get out of them tires?
I changed them out about 100,000.
Woo! Yep. Because they made for big semi trucks.
About a year.
Oh yeah. We got to run to Chicago?
Chicago, Vegas, and back. Yeah.
Well, I got 4 new tires on the front axle, all the way across, and I got the 2 inside back are fairly new. Just keep an eye on these, because I ain't had a chance to change these yet. Ran out of money. But the 2 insides are real good. All 4 of these are brand new.
Okay.
So just this one and the other outside. Just keep an eye on those. You can see it's got a little weirdness, like it might have been flat or something like that.
Okay.
But other than that, they got tread. They just.
Yeah. Are they old? Dry rot?
Nah, I don't see no dry rot. It's just the guy said it just looked like he might have been ran on when they was flat. Might have went flat and somebody rolled on them.
Okay. Well, if it pops, you get 2 more.
I hear that. But yeah, man, this should be fine, man.
Oh yeah. I've been wanting to get me an air ride trailer too. You about to see what this life is like.
I hear that.
It's the fancy life.
You gonna need the keys to the little chain thing?
No, I got mine in there.
Okay.
Actually, I do need a key to the spare though.
Give me
just in case.
All right. You keep everything you need, ain't right?
Yep. I should have grabbed my jack from Buddy.
Yeah.
I should have, because if I get it flat, you know, I can change it myself. I make sure I keep all that. But I do have my other jack back here, so it'll work when it's empty.
Yeah. All right.
Airline. Got a 10-pound sledgehammer if I need it.
Yeah, that mug look good. Nice looking trailer.
Oh yeah, it's definitely pretty.
All right, well shit, you be safe, brother. And I guess I'll see you in a couple days probably. Yeah. I'll go get yours if you get done with it. You should be able to make that turn. I go behind the well house, because there's some pipes in front of it. You go behind it, you can go right down the little alley and go right out. All right. Definitely spinning. Oh yeah, that's a good look right there. Hold up. Hold. You got it? That looked close, didn't it? Yeah. Look like you finna tear that thing up. That's why I gotta fix my damn power steering, man. Nah, I ain't hit it yet. It looked like he was damn close to hitting that bad boy. But that's a professional driver right there. But he'll bring it back in a couple days.
He said
So
like 5 or 4.
huh?
He said like 5 or 4.
5 or 4 days? Yeah, it's just a couple days, few days. He just left. What's up, buddy? Where you shirt at?
Don't worry about that part.
Run that back, turbo.
Don't worry about that part.
All right.
Peoples?
You said what now?
I said, what's up, peoples?
I hear that. All right, we out. Peace.
Peace.
All right, we gotta unhook this trailer because we gotta go get Torian's trailer. You know, he borrowed mine the other day. He's in Las Vegas or California or somewhere. But his trailer's done, so we gotta go get it. So I'm just backing mine into position. Let's see if I can line that bad boy right up with them little stops back there. I got it, but I ran over him, went too far. Oh yeah, went a little too far. You see where the tires used to be at. Put my stops back in right there. Head on over here and get this bad boy. All right, we're gonna unhook this, and his trailer is like, I think Buddy live about 15 minutes away. So we're gonna go over there and get it, see how it runs, check his brakes out, and then park it over here till he gets back with mine, and just do a little switcheroo. So I'll catch up with y'all when I get over there. Well, damn, they got this mug in a weird spot. Damn, they're sticking out in the road. I need to go this way, not that way. That way is out of the way. I can go that way, but I'd rather go this way. So I'm gonna have to probably back in like this right here, and then pull out, way out, clear all that. That truck should be a problem right there. 40-foot trailer though, boy. This damn thing long as hell. Okay, so he got his tire mounted here. I got mine mounted up here. I see you. All right, let me find Tommy and get up under this bad boy and head back to the house. Oh, let me check that winch out. So he got his winch mounted low. All right, I see you. I think mine gonna be mounted up mid-ways. Probably put me a little pulley or something at the bottom where if I need to go underneath the car, I can come down from the winch and shoot underneath. I've been doing some research on that. But okay, let me get hooked up to this mug and get it back to the house. Oh yeah, I got it all now. I got to show it. We got it hooked up. Gonna take it back to the house. Got a little something going on with the trailer plug. I don't know what's going on, but Tori can figure that out. The brakes work. It'll lock them up. But my truck might be wired different. I'm not sure. I ain't got time to stick around and find out. So we're gonna take it to the house. When he come back with his truck, he can test it out. But that's it, man. We're gonna take it back to the house. Tommy, I guess we appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Not a problem.
We're gonna take it back to the house and see what we can get into, man. Catch up with y'all later. What it do, what it do? It's been a few days, man. We got that badass trailer back. TK brought it back in one piece. I'm out here with the wife. What is this calling your phone? What's up with you?
Oh, no. In there baking.
Oh yeah, mini red velvets.
Yep.
Hey, mini red velvets, boy, got the kitchen on fire. But yeah, TK brought the trailer back. Got this thing back. It ended up being like a week, which is understandable. I think it left from here, went to Chicago, then Vegas, then to Ohio somewhere and then back. So he put about 5,000 miles on it. Shit, maybe over 5,000. But anyway, he didn't go without having a problem. We had a tire blowout. Can I get up here? As you can see, before I gave it to him, the spare had a lot of tread on it. It was a good spare. And now look at this mud that we swapped out. It is bald as hell. So he had a blowout leaving Georgia. And he had to swap it out and replace it. He ended up putting my spare on, which had a pretty decent tire on it, as you can see. But that's the only bad thing. It's all nasty and black. It was up there at the top of the trailer where it goes. And so that's why it's nasty. So we got the good rims. All the other three is good. But those two inside tires that I didn't change, they had a lot of tread. They got wore out, man. I don't really know what's up with that. They just got absolutely wore out on both sides. Of course, these are still in great shape because I replaced the front four all the way around. That ended up costing me about $500. Well worth it though. I'm gonna get them to get me 4 more since we had this issue. Yeah, I think he changed one of these too. I can't remember, cause the inside used to look like the other one. Yeah, I think one went bald real bad and one blew out. So that's I think that's what ended up happening. But we got it back. Me and Quan been doing all the necessary things needed to get the trucking stuff going, right?
Yep.
So we got everything, man. We got trucking insurance. We got DOT, US DOT numbers, MC number, all that, man. We legit. We absolutely legit right now. I can't get it out. But hopefully we can haul some loads, man, for real. I gotta do something with the dually tires though. Dually tires not rated, as I said earlier. But
What we said our slogan was yesterday?
got a plan for that. What was it? Oh, we had a slogan. She thought of a slogan. It was big or small.
No job too big.
No job too big or small. KJ will tow it all, or 10 toes down and tow it all. See, I can't remember. What is that? It?
KJ.
KJ will tow it all.
We haul too.
Yeah, we haul it all, man. But what else was I gonna say? Oh, we got an upgrade, man. Oh, let's do the snap method. Yes, sir. We got us a Winch synthetic rope. Man, I needed that badly. This damn thing cost $600, and this thing was $50. I don't think I need the mounting channel though. Synthetic rope, 80 feet. Do y'all see that? Wireless remote and non-wire. So I'm gonna do an unboxing pretty soon once I get everything I need. But man, synthetic rope, y'all know I love that. So use a snatch block. That'll turn into 24,000 pounds if needed. Bam, we in there. I ended up calling Load Trail to get some advice on where to mount this thing. This trailer came with every option except a winch plate. And apparently the winch plate can go, it's supposed to go above this. And they gave me the measurements. They actually gave me the part number too, the measurements. It was supposed to be $165 for the winch plate, but $175 to ship it. So like 3 something. It was ridiculous. And it don't have no pre-drill holes or nothing. Let me get back up here. So they ended up giving me the size, which was cool. And I'm gonna get to my local mechanic, my local welding shop, to weld me a plate with the same dimensions right here. We'll move some of these down, move these down. Had a winch mounted right there. And what we're gonna end up doing is I'm gonna probably put a pulley or something down here. So when I got a winch underneath, let's say if we put a vehicle on the front and need a vehicle on the back that don't run, the pulley can come down and go underneath the first vehicle and pick up the second vehicle. So I've been using my head a little bit, man. I had to figure out how I'm gonna do that. I ain't gonna lie, I got that idea off of Facebook somewhere. But that's it. That's all I need, man. So hopefully, broke down dump truck, school bus, whatever, it don't matter. We can get it all in, right?
We tow it all and haul it all. But if you know of any loads or anything needs to be towed, call us. We got you.
Y'all heard the lady. Y'all heard her. That's it, man. I ain't got nothing else going on. You gotta go back in and finish your cupcakes, right?
Yeah, for my time
Well,
goes
your
out.
cakes. All right, we're gonna holler at y'all later on, man. Just wanted to check in. Where you at? You ain't in the way, is you?
No.
Peace! Clean, boy, that mother super clean. Junker Jr., boy. Hey, what's the record now, Junker Jr.? 11 and 1 and 1 punk out. That mother super clean right there, boy. Who car this is, you said? Your cousin? Who car this is? Ooh. Wish the sunlight was out a little bit more. I love that stripe kit. Oh, that look real good. Yes, sir. G-body for the win. Clean right there, boy. I'm fonder than that, Buster.
I got one of those. I got a pizza burger.
Yeah.
So you got the peanut.